Hello, I hope you are doing great today. Today I want to talk about why you should be using Azure Active Directory B2C or Azure AD B2C. So, what is Azure Active Directory B2C? It is basically an Active Directory that you can use to authenticate your users from different identity providers. So basically with it you can authenticate your users from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, from several social medias providers such as this one. You will see, for example, there we have Twitter, Facebook, of course, Microsoft accounts, Google, LinkedIn. Uh, One of the benefits that it has is that it allows you to centralize your user management. So let's say that your company has different applications and services that are target to different sets of users. The usual way you will need to implement like an authentication for each of those. But what happens, for example, with your marketing strategy, or if you want to have some of the users of one application or system using the other one, uh, you will have to copy the users, manage the users independently, unless you have a customized um, user management feature that is centralized. So Azure Active Directory actually allows you to do that. You have, for example, allow your users to log in with, as we mentioned before, Twitter, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft accounts, but they are all centralized. So since you have all of that centralized, you can actually easily implement the authentication on all of the applications to use the Azure Active Directory. So with just that, all of your users will be able to access all of your applications, and the user configuration is going to be only in one place, the Azure Active Directory B2C users section. Uh, some of the things that you can do is actually brand your login screen. You can customize it with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Um, as we said before, for example, you have in here your customers and you have here your business. Uh, all of your applications, but they are authenticated through different providers, but being centralized by one. So, for example, if a user already has a Facebook profile, they don't need to create a new account in your system. They will just basically allow your application to identify by using their Facebook profile, so they will create a link to your um, Facebook account or Twitter account depending on the provider you actually use. You can also implement OIDC providers, custom providers that allows you to extend the provider you will be able to allow. So it's really good. So let's see a quick example. We have here uh, this one. You will see that here we have the Azure AD B2C. And here we have, for example, the identity providers. You have all of this. And you can create more. You can also create flows for sign in, sign up, for deleting the profile, change password, things like that. So you will also have like the list of users, and you will have list of users here. The more users that you add, they will be here, and the flow basically allows you to test, let's say, a flow, and it will take you to the authentication screen. Okay, you choose either Facebook, Twitter, and you continue the flow. I actually recorded a separate video on how to use Azure Active Directory in a .NET Core application. Yeah, I will link it in the video. It will be in the cards too, or the end screens too. You can watch them there. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notifications as soon as videos are uploaded. Like the videos, share them so I can keep taking and recording more videos for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.